We- We're doing wildlife inside the zoo.
We're doing fake wildlife.
Today's wildlife is different, huh?
It's not wild. It's
Oh yeah,
life.
life,
We're
just
truly
life.
life. I've never been here.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
I think you will enjoy it.
Are we going on the rail?
I don't think so.
Okay. Then what
Thank you.
Yeah. I'll charge you later. Plus interest.
Plus interest. Ryan can shoot like a macro photo.
Keep still. Very quiet.
We have to be quiet because,
We're going to disturb the wildlife.
Right.
Why did we bring 800?
I told you.
I'm going to shoot with my 105.
See that bird? It's like it's just in front of you. You can shoot with your 16 mil.
They're not scared at all.
They're not scared. Look at that. Yeah, they do.
That's why.
Get it guarantee your safety. It's beautiful place. Yeah. You don't have to have like, a wildlife lens like 400 or something like that. You just need like 24 to 70.
You can use your iPhone.
Yeah.
Maybe if there's enough, he'll get motivated.
Yeah.
There's one behind you.
So
Will you catch up? Ready? Right, ready?
Catch it. Another guy over there.
Can you catch it? Ready?
Go!
You get another try.
Oh.
Grab my finger.
Come on.
I can't handle it.
Shy bird.
Yeah. It doesn't take food off your foot.
There's no challenge, nah?
No.
Shooting in the zoo.
Bring your iPhone. That's all you need. It's fun.
Oh, look. It's dancing. See? Ooh. To the beat, man. What kind of tree is this? Limestone. Oh, acacia. Oh, is this acacia?
Many of the guy. How do you know it's a guy?
I don't know. His face is so
What
funny.
are you doing? He's like, oh man.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
Take a photo of my back, man. Oh, it's beautiful. It's like, what's that, pink, purple?
How close are you gonna let me get?
Wow, this is dark.
It sounds so real.
Yeah. So if you shoot photo here, you can get the reflection.
No. He's recording me.
if you're in the wild, you have to keep quiet because we don't want to disturb the wildlife. Can you hear that? That's a bird. I think we have to go over there to find that bird. He will grab your eyes, man.
Can I take your photo? Hmm? Am I allowed to? The only time you can use this feature on the Z9.
Which one? Oh, yeah. Candle tree. Oh.
Excuse me. Did I call you? I don't remember calling you.
You just insulted him a while ago.
What are you doing? Hmm? Can I touch you? That would have to bite me. She attacks me because of you. Do my eyes look delicious?
Oh, you want to see the camera?
Want to see your picture? You do? Hey, yes. It's you. Is it okay?
Hey. Here, 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 here. Here, here, here.
Who's being so loud?
Wow, the photographer.
Spoonbill something.
No, that's the one we saw a while ago. Like, you know.
Yeah. No, it's pretty
Oh, man.
I
It
think
is?
you could come here with just iPhone. Like,
Yeah.
you don't need long glass. Yeah, I like it. What about you?
Yeah, I do like it.
You like it?
There's a lot of birds that, you don't see it outside, of course. And yeah, like the albino peacock. There's a white peacock right there.
Why are you laughing at me?
No.
It's not more.
Flora. Let's go, Flora.
Thanks, Tiffany. It's funny, they put caution hairy caterpillar, but they don't say why you should be careful.
Right, because it's hairy?
The needles, the
Oh,
hair actually is poisonous.
looking at you.
We come here for birds and Brian loves the leaf. You know what?
What?
Yeah. And yesterday I was flying the drone in Kintown, and this, I'm pretty sure it's a heron. Brian will look at the footage and tell me I'm wrong, right? But it was circling and got upset at my drone, so I ended up having to get out of there. But it was pretty cool. I chased him a little bit as he was flying away, but dangerous. If he interrupted one of the propellers, the whole thing's going
Yeah, goodbye.
gone. That one's actually wild.
It's a lemur.
Lemur. Is it bear or monkey family? I don't know.
I think monkey.
Monkey.
They jump.
Oh, is it your relative?
I don't know. I called it monkey before. It's like,
He's like, I'm not your family.
lemur!
Yep.
Lemur, her! Woo!
Brian's
What?
your cousin.
Pig curry is not a pig or wild boar. It's a pig! Look at the face! It smells like pig, man.
He wants to eat it. Yep, he ate it. Why
Oh.
are they all coming to me?
I know why. I didn't say anything. No, I didn't say anything. Ah, yeah. Yep. Thank you, master.
In the zoo in America, the peacock just runs around.
Oh, there we go. There's another one. Wow.
That sounds bad, actually.
Oh, yeah, this one. You're beautiful.
That's for sure.
That's for sure.
That's my man.
It becomes a monster there.
You only have one eye?
Oh,
You only have
yeah.
one eye. What happened to your eye? What did you upset? It died. Thanks for protecting me.
Shoot. I think it's taller than you. Because of the feather, I mean the tail. Tail? Is it tail? You call it tail?
Tail, feather, tail.
Yeah. Wow, that's cool.
It dropped it. Can we get him down?
Oh, look, 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 look.
He's gonna do it. Wow.
Do it! Jump! Come. What on earth?
What was that?
What? That's it?
All of that for nothing?
Be careful, train trap. So we are really soaking wet. What should we do now? Go home, get some coffee?
I still have a whole bunch of food in my pocket.
Oh.
So how about I go over there and just dump it all?
Oh, yeah.
Let's start a riot.
Okay, okay, okay.
Want to start a riot?
Yeah, let's go. Do it.
Let's go do this.
Yeah.
Dancing.
Yeah. Moonwalk. What is that, Michael Jackson's?
I didn't recognize that song at all.
Shake it, Rylan. Shake it. Whoa. Yeah. That's what I want to hear.
You like.
That's cool. Oh, the smoke.
Okay.
Look at the pig.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, guys. This has been our photographer JB, and I hope to see you in the next adventure. It's OkiPixelFinder, and I will see you in the next adventure. See ya.
Brian just broke the coffee machine. So he's inside Family Mart and he just broke the coffee machine.